What? New additions to the garage. You can get that one on the website. It's DM, man. It's that rough application one. Dave's in the cut. Aiden's got another one. So. Yes, my boy. Love my boy. Ready. And Dave got that high pressure line up. The Turbski. Where's your new one? My new one is over there. What about it?
It's in there. It's just squashing down there, isn't it?
Yes, Dave. New high pressure line for the turbo. Gonna get this gas thing off. Boost clamps on there. Bits are getting done. Man got the care package as well. Big up Nick Jock. Plug. Every time. Rad cap. Crop bolts. Some other little bits and bobs. Tensioner. Got the care package and a couple new bits for the car. Just finish off this build. Boost clamps. Need to cut it down a bit. Thinking about trying to put a 180 there. See how far it'll come out. Like this one. Trying to get it matching a little bit. I don't really care, to be honest, as long as it's boosted. Put these little fittings down the intake, make it a bit cleaner. Yeah, I went to put on my new oil cap and yeah, there's a lot of sludge at the bottom of that. A lot of sludge, so I'm gonna rinse it out first, put a new filter somewhere. Got the BMW, I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. Oil cap to run the oil cooler. Quite a nice unit, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's nice. Decent money as well. It's a little eBay power steering cooler and battery holder. Just a little bracket. Yes, I'm just going to drill 2 holes in the tray that I've already made and put in there. I'm going to get that on. Got this junction box. Just to mount there. For the live lines. I'm gonna run this brake line a bit differently. Got some brake line somewhere. I'm just gonna run it down there and through there. Hold right there. Take it away from the turbo. New oil feed line on. And a kink here. So just put another one on. Got a silicone as well for these bits, so probably a little bit on there just to freshen it up, and then one for the boost gauge. But yeah, that's all it for today. Just a quick fly through, get a couple bits done, get a little bit of content for the viewers and that. Oh, this is the other catch can one I got off Aiden, the Renza one. Sits a bit proud on that screw there, so I'm thinking to mount it down here. Something like that. Maybe. Don't know if this wheel might hit it. I'm thinking it might hit. Next on the agenda, getting these last few bits done. Might even do the master cylinder and that on the floor here. And put it on the ground so I can see if this is gonna hit the wheel and fall up. Or do it on the lift. Just having a little tidy up. Another transformation, new year coming. Bits are getting done. Yeah, once I put it on the ground, I'll know whether that positioning is good or not. And we'll see. Other little bits probably going to get done soon. Reinforcement plates. I cut that in my more hillbilly days. Don't get me wrong, I still do hillbilly stuff, but get it a bit cleaner. So reinforcement plates. Cut it out with the Blazzy. Gussets on the sides. Yeah, that's it. Engine bay done until next year when I do the new manifold. Active. Keep it locked, man.